हेलो दोस्तों, मैं वीनू सिंह स्वागत करता हूं आपका लूम सोलर के यूट्यूब चैनल पे। और आज हम आए हैं अपना घर सोसाइटी कॉलोनी में, जहां पे हमारे कस्टमर श्री अय्यर स्वामी जी ने अपने घर पे सोलर पैनल लगाया है। तो चलिए मिलते हैं अय्यर स्वामी जी से। आइए दोस्तों। अय्यर स्वामी जी, आपका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल में।
Thank you very much.
सर, आपका शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन।
My name is Ayyar Swami. I am a retired person now. Earlier I was working in garment export in one company, Opera Global Exports. There I was a quality assurance general manager. He is my grandson. He is the maintenance engineer for your panel.
Sir, actually we want to know that how you came to know about Loom Solar.
Loom Solar, as it is, it seems it is a popular brand. Actually, my cousin is living in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. He sent me a video of yours and suggested that Looms it seems it is working here very well. So suddenly I got interest in it. Immediately the very next day I contacted your office and your salesperson. They were really very good. After talking to them, they agreed to send an engineer to my house.
Sir, what was the need of solar in your family?
Solar, sir, it is the latest technology here. And one more thing, I want to serve my house, then I want to serve my country also. So I produce little bit current on my own, so which will be good. A small, very small, participation in the environmental improvement.
Sir, you bought initially 2 solar panels from Loom Solar. So we wanted to know that how much satisfied you are with these panels.
Sir, to be frank, I'm really very satisfied because my house, lights and TV and water purifier, aqua, all are working very smoothly. Except, there was a discussion about my fridge that your engineer told me that it will also work. At times it works for half an hour or 1 hour. Then it shows, overload in the inverter. That is the only problem. Otherwise, I am totally satisfied with the solar.
So this is your off-grid system. So you have your inverter battery with you?
Yes, I have my inverter battery with me. And in daytime, my whole house is running on the solars. So it is up to 5:30. Up to 5:30 it is working. Morning 7:30 around, it starts around 7:30. System changeover is very smooth. I am satisfied. If they can do something for my fridge, so I'll be 120% satisfied.
So can you tell us about the generation, like how many units it's generating on day basis?
In day basis, it is around 1.3 units it is produced. I was calculating since 9th December. It produces around 1.3, and the engineer said it will be more during summer season because nowadays the light is very less, so the production is little less because of the winter season. So I expect and it will definitely work in summer because it will start working around 6 o'clock and there will be a lot of light, sunlight. So it may produce up to 3 units, he said. I expect around 3 units.
So is there any plan to increase your panels?
Yes, definitely I have idea. This is a pilot run for me, just to see how it works, how it suits me. I have a plan. I want to, actually include my AC also. For that, I will discuss after seeing for some time the working, and I will definitely go for one more panel. I think 1 or 2 more panel for for including my ACs. So in that case, I will just add one more panel so that I can include more other items also, other 5-6 fans and etc.
For maintenance, what you are doing?
Maintenance, so it is almost nil. It is very simple to keep this panel neat and clean. So we are just dusting it. So at times, if we find it little something hard, then I use wet cloth. So far I have not used water or anything. Now it is very clean now. So if it is more dirty, then I will use water.
And you bought the panel stand from the company?
Yeah, I bought the stand from your company. Everything I bought from your company. The only thing I got my battery and inverter. All other things are from your company.
So as you told that you were planning to put this panel on the top of your water tank. So how this was not work out?
Actually, I was planning, to erect this panel on my, above my water tank, so that I can save, the space also. But then the problem I anticipated, it will be very on high. It will be about 10, 12, about around 10 feet. So the cleaning will be a little bit difficult. So I didn't want to do it. So I put it here only.
So guys, you can see the Smarten here. The wires are coming from a solar panel, and here, see, this is the inverter, the old inverter, and this is the battery. And the wire from here, it's going to connect the Smarten. And sir, as you told that this is the old inverter battery, and you have installed this Smarten here. So how you are monitoring on daily basis?
See, I just monitor the production.
Okay.
How much electricity is produced in the morning and in the evening. How many amperes? What is the volt? How much how many units are produced every day, saved every day. So I am noting down.
Can you share the numbers with us?
Now the unit, it is 1.4 units I am saving per day. Around 1.3, 1.4 units I am saving, and I am very hopeful it will be around 3 during summer time.
Okay, sir. Actually, we wanted to know that what is your electricity consumption during solar and during winter?
So during winter, our bill used to come for around 3,500 to 4,000 rupees. Now I expect it will be around, I might save around 40% I can save from solar.
Okay. And what about summer?
Summer, our bill is around 14 to 15,000 rupees. That time I expect, that time our AC also running. So I will save around 3,000-4,000 rupees every month.
Sir, please tell us about your battery and inverter.
सर माई बैटरी जो हमारा है सर, ओल्ड बैटरी तो न्यू है सर. इट इज़ 1500 AH का यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. इन्वर्टर, हमारा इन्वर्टर अबाउट 3-4 years ओल्ड इन्वर्टर है. इट इज़ 850 VA का है. बट द सोलर सिस्टम इज सो फार इट इज़ रनिंग स्मूथली विद माई रेगुलर सिस्टम. माई इन्वर्टर एंड बैटरी, इट इज़ रनिंग वेरी स्मूथली.
Sir, any message you want to give our viewers, the people who want to put solar panel at their home?
Definitely, sir. It will be a service to our nation. It is a service to environment, and it saves lot of money. Now, whole day, my consumption is from solar only. I am not using grid electricity. So it will give me a lot of saving. At least the bill will be cut around 40%, I think, I expect. So everybody, if they put, according to their requirement, they can use. It starts from, around 20,000 onwards. Whatever capacity you want, you can use, but you must use. It is the latest technology. Our world is changed now. It will be very good for everybody, for us and for the nation.
Yes, Swamiji, we are thankful that you gave your precious time with us.
No, sir. It is I feel, this message must be spread out also. People must know what is the positive points in erecting solar panel. And I am very happy you called me. I am really happy.
Thank you, sir. तो दोस्तों, ये थे आज हमारे साथ हमारे कस्टमर अय्या स्वामी जी, जिन्होंने अपने घर पे सोलर पैनल लगाए हैं और आज की डेट में वो किस तरह से अपने घर पे सोलर पैनल लगा के पूरी तरह से सोलर एनर्जी पे निर्भर हो चुके हैं। तो दोस्तों, आपको अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक करना ना भूलें। आप हमारी वीडियो को शेयर कर सकते हैं। यदि आपके मन में कोई विचार है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।